Hi, so tell me about yourself.
Sir, I am sitting in front of yourself, myself Rakesh Mohanty, and I am technology mad. But if you will ask me what is my passion, I will say hardware. But this is for the first time I am doing on Spiky.
Skype, you mean?
Pardon, sir?
Okay, go on.
Sir, I am from Jharsuguda. I studied 10th Saraswati Sishu Vidya Mandir, graduate Cambridge Institute Ranchi, not from England, note it. And I am putting my screwdriver everywhere and seeing what is happening. I am a hidden scientist.
Okay, so what experience do you have?
Sir, I am working with BSNL telephone company. Whenever the line goes off, I ride the telephone khamba and make the line good. And during my spare time, I chat on girls on Facebook. And also, I collect pan masala wrappers. I have a huge collection, almost 2000.
And how do you see yourself progress in this career?
Sir, I will have a fruity career in your steamy company and I will perform and reach the climax position.
Okay, and can you shift to Oman? Will you have any problems shifting to Oman?
Sir, I do not have any problem to shifting abroad country, but I will not change my religion. Otherwise, I am very open minded and I am always happy, even when I am sad. And I am morally very good, morally very high. And I have also my resignation letter ready from BSN.
Okay, so then we'll get back to you.
Sir, I am getting the job now.
We'll get back to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi.
Hi, myself Vilas Tambe. I am from Kolhapur, district of Maharashtra. I am BA graduate and also doing MA from Shivaji University. I love cooking and singing and also wrestling.
Tell me a little about your work.
I am portion of so many creative events like Lavani and Bhangra. I have lots of natak and also always doing roadside natak. My most famous natak was Ai Shapat. It's most successful natak in Kolhapur. I always winner of Rangoli Spardha every year. I even talked to Madam Urmila Matondkar on phone, but that film was never happened
So why do you think you should be a creative officer?
because I am creative. I told you before, I culturally forward person. I think hard. I am team player. I think differently.
Have you worked for clients?
Of course, ma'am, we got sponsored for our natak. Completely handling brochure, logo, poster, and all other requirement creative. I did for all.
Will you adjust in Sharjah?
Yes, of course, ma'am. I can adjust everywhere. But yes, respected ma'am, if you adjust quarter for living, I will be bring my wife also and my children also. It's more adjustable for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
இதில் எத்தனை சமயம் எடுக்கும் எனக்கு வீட்டுக்கு போகணும்.
Please look in front of you. The camera is here, right here in front. So please look straight into the camera. Yeah, that's right. Look into the camera. Give us an introduction of yourself. What is your name?
Mary Sebastian.
Okay, Mary. Now, can you tell me something about yourself?
I am nurse.
Okay, that's nice. So, how many years of experience do you have?
5.
Would you like to tell me a little more about that?
I I go to baby nursing college. Then I go to hospital at Thrissur.
Okay, that's good. Tell me about a crisis situation at clinic that you may have faced. Crisis situation at clinic.
Patient come with full blood to hospital at 3 o'clock in the morning. I treat with full first aid kit. Doctor tell Mary, well done. Patient go without blood and give me 150 rupees.
Okay, anything else? Anything else that you've done at the job?
I do heartless injection. I do injection, no pain to the patient.
Okay, so now tell us why you think you're suited for a position of the hospital floor supervisor.
I am good nurse.
And
I am a good nurse and a honest nurse.
anything else?
Everyone speak Malayalam in Gulf. I want to go to Gulf. My brother there.
Okay, then we will get back to you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So tell me about yourself.
Good morning. Madam ji, I am Vijendra Dullar from Panchkula, Haryana. We are land family Jimidar and all land gone now. Mother gone, father gone. I am looking for job. I am completing B from IGNO, civilian engineer ji. Or Madam ji, my hobby watching homely movies and workouting in gym.
So why do you think you're suited for the position of site inspector?
Madam ji, I am old construction. Construction come nature to me. Negotiation, selling, buying land, I can do very well. And Madam ji, I have deep knowledge, Madam ji, deep. And if you keep Vijender with you, you are finished, Madam ji.
So what do you think are your strengths?
Madam ji, there is one saying in Haryana, देसा में देश हरियाणा जित दूध दही का खाना मैडम जी. तो मैडम जी most of the time I lift up all the weight in gym मैडम जी.
I meant to ask about your professional qualities.
Madam ji, I am professional, but construction is for man. As you can see, no one can mess with me and take me right away, and I don't let them get away. Women cannot do that.
Tell me about yourself.
My good name Bholaram Misra. I am pure Brahmin. I passed away from Devta College in BSc Biology. I am huge fan of crickets. I am fast bowler. Many experts, batsmen always appreciate my ball. Also about crickets, I am also fond of listening music, songs like slow songs and especially moody songs.
What work experience do you have?
Work experience, last I worked with Mr. Rameshwar Tiwari. He is a farmer. We grew pumpkin, brinjal, lady fingers, big fingers. I am also worked as a part-time job in Harbans Lal coaching as a teacher.
Have you ever worked in quality control?
No, sir. I did not work there. But I think that you will give me a chance for my bright careers. You know, sir, everything is first time. Just believe in me.
What do you know about fertilizers and quality control?
Fertilizing is my passion. As I told you that I worked with a farmer. Many times we grew up top quality vegetables in Bijnor districts.
You don't have experience.
But I am most excellent. I stood first in school and inter. In local newspapers, I came many times. People of Bijnor call me Bijnor ka Badshah. That's why I am applying for this quality control. Myself, good quality, sir.
Okay, where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In coming 5 years, I see myself that I am working at your company. I am earning more money. I have many expansion plans, and I would like to open a branch for your company, especially in Bijnor districts. There is a lot of demands for fertilizer.
Yes, but doing what? In what role?
So my mother say, whatever you do, do with full hearts. And let me say one thing, sir, wherever I put my hands, I always do good. I think that I am confident and I fulfill all the requirements for this post, sir.
Why should I hire you at Qatar Fertilizers?
Sir, as I told you, that's I am good, I am hard worker, I am responsible person. I want to make your company as a pride for the nation. My passport is ready, Tatkal made.
Thank you. We will get back to you.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
Myself, Ronojoy Guhatakurta. Actually, I am from Raurkela, but I am born in Baroda in my uncle's house, uncle's place. And now I am in Asansol. I enjoy speeches and music, and I am an accomplished dancer, you know. Thanks to my scintillating body shape. Actually, this is all thanks to my aggressive dancing. If you want, I can stand up and show my full profile.
No need. So why did you apply for this position of Marine Superintendent?
Actually, I am a good swimmer, and I have a national award in champion in West Bengal in my school level.
You don't have to swim. You have to supervise a ship.
Chalbe. Supervising coming naturally to me. I have done many supervisor work, you know, and I have supervised 2 years in on jetty near Habda for 2.5 years, and supervising all kind of supervising, loading, unloading, lifting, shifting, all supervising happen under my nose. And I do supervising very skillfully and strictly. No ladies things or any other goods stolen during my traveling on me.
Sir, you really don't have the relevant experience.
Do you think working on the shift is very difficult? No, it is not, because I am a very intelligent person, you know, and getting me is very lucky for you. I have done many supervisor work and I am a very skilled person, and I think you should give a chance to me. If you give a chance to me, I will work very good.
Okay, thank you.
So, when should I join?
We'll get back to you.